Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. And today I just wanted to go over a couple of watches, but before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers now, and like I said before, I could not have done this without you guys. You guys are awesome. I do appreciate all the likes, all the subscribes, all the thumbs up. And also I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have membership plans available to help support the channel. If you want to check that out, you just click on that join button right down there in the lower left hand corner, and it'll bring you over to the membership plan options that I do have available. So once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are great. If you are new to this channel, my name is Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those watches up and wear them yourself. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Today what I'm going to do is actually show you what you guys can get for $10. Now, each one of these watches that I'm about to show you today I purchased on AliExpress, and each one of these watches is somewhere in the neighborhood of $10. So yes, you guys are looking at a cumulative amount of $30 with all three of these watches. And for these watches to be under $10, I think is a great value. These watches all resemble higher end luxury brands. If you know about watches, you know which brands that these are supposed to emulate and pay homage to. But this one right here is a really popular homage. It is a Pepsi Cola design with the blue and the red, and it's a really good quality watch, guys, for the price. I mean, it's a quartz watch, obviously, and it doesn't have all the bells and whistles that, you know, some of the higher end watches have, but it's a really nice tight bracelet on this thing, with the side buttons. It says it's water resistant, but it doesn't say how deep the water resistance actually is on this watch, and I have not tested it out, but I have had this watch for probably 2.5 to 3 months right now, and it still works great. Everything on it still looks beautiful. I'm assuming a mineral crystal on this thing with it's obviously a Chinese quartz movement. But once again, very, very nice watch. It looks really nice on the wrist. It does, like I said, does emulate that higher end luxury brand. Very, very nice watch, especially for the price. You're talking about a $10 price range for this watch. And there's also this one right here, which is also right around $10. I'm not sure about the water resistance on this one. Oh, actually it says 100 feet. 100 feet water resistance on this one. Once again, more than likely Chinese quartz movement, probably a mineral crystal on this thing. This one also is designed to pay homage to a much higher end luxury brand as well. Very nice watch. Does look very nice on the wrist. You will get some compliments on this thing. It does go very nicely with the suit dressed up. Very, very beautiful watch. And like I said, you're talking about $10 for this thing. And I will post links to these on AliExpress, so you guys can head on over and pick these up if you want. You can actually start a decent little watch collection for around $30 with these three watches, and you can have a nice sporty looking, a nice dressy, and a nice casual looking dress watch. This is also an homage to a higher end luxury brand as well, and it does strikingly resemble that watch. Very, very nice watch. I have worn this one quite a bit since I've gotten it. The water resistant doesn't say what the water resistance is, and like I said, I haven't really subjected these to any type of submersion in any type of water. But guys, once again, very, very nice watch. Great quality case. The butterfly clasp, everything is nice with the milled clasp on it. Really, really nice watch. Makes you kind of almost wonder how they can even produce these watches for $10. I think I've seen this one as low as $9 on AliExpress. It just depends on whether or not you can catch a sale, but I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check it out. Very, very, very nice watch for that price. It's got a nice solid bracelet on it with the brushed stainless look. It's just a really, really nice watch for the price, and you're not going to beat that. So I've got three watches here. Three watches, like I said, all representing an homage to a higher end luxury brand. This one also with the milled clasp. Very, very nice watch. They're nicely weighted. They don't feel like they're cheap. They don't feel like they're too lightweight. Just all three of them, very nice watches. This dive watch is great. The bezel is nice and tight for the price. I mean, it is just a beautiful looking watch. I mean, you can see that dial, just that luminescent blue. And it does have all the lume markers on the side. Just a really nice overall good looking watch. So like I said, I will post a link to these in the description below, so you guys can head on over and check them out. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel. And check out the join button here below and see if you guys want to help support the channel by becoming a member of the channel. You do receive a couple of perks through YouTube for signing up as a member, and that would definitely be appreciated. But once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are always the best. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So if you do like that, give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Till next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. I do have a ton of watches on the way. Next week is going to be a big week. I've got a bunch of shipments coming in. And I've also started a collaboration with a company as well. So that's going to bring me more watches that I can review for you guys, so I can keep these videos coming to you. So once again, thank you guys so much. I will see you all in the next watch review video. I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have a great weekend.